How's it going, everybody? My name is Benjamin Anderson, and in today's video, we're going to be going over reports. If you haven't watched our videos on workflows, you're going to want to start there. Instead of recovering all the things we already covered in the workflows video, we're going to go over how reports are different than workflows. The differences start in the report editor. The biggest differences between reports and workflows is how they're triggered. As we talked about in the last video, workflows are triggered on adds, updates, and deletes, or any combination of those inside of a table. Reports, on the other hand, are triggered at certain times. As you can see, you can trigger a report daily, weekly, monthly, or monthly by week. And when we click on each of these, we can see even more options. For instance, I can run a report every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by clicking on weekly and then clicking on the days I want it to run. You can also choose what time and what time zone you want the report to run in. So for instance, if you want it to run at midnight UTC, you can do that. If you want it to run at midnight Eastern time, you can do that as well. This is the biggest difference, but there are a couple smaller differences as well. For instance, since we're not worried about having to deal with test data, there is no test option at the top. This is because if I want to test my report, I can just set it to daily and choose a time in the near future to test it. Next, we can choose to run the report on the entire table or run an individual report for each row in the table. This are useful in a few different situations, which we won't be going over in this video, but if you have any questions, please feel free to throw them in the comments below. The last difference in the editor comes in the do this section. If we're creating a report for the entire table, we'll notice that the change data action is gone. That being said, if the create report is set to for each row in table, then the change data is still available. Those are all of the differences in the editor between workflows and reports, but it's important to note that reports will require a pro plan or higher. That's going to be all for this video, but if you have any questions, please feel free to throw them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
At Crew Technologies, we love helping people get great value out of AppSheet. We do that through offering professional services and helpful content like this. To stay up to date, like and subscribe, and we're always trying to improve, so leave us your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.